Hi students, let us solve some more problems based on trigonometric ratios of standard angles. We have next question, that is choose the correct option for this. These are the three answers given. We will find which answer suits to this. So let us quickly take the question. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So 2 I will keep it as it is, and then tan 30 value. In the denominator 1 plus tan square 30. Here I have to put tan 30 value, here also tan 30 value. 2 as it is, tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. This you have to take from the table. And here also it is ratio is square, so tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So now 2 into 1 by root 3 is 1 by 2 by root 3. Here 1 plus, after squaring it will become 1 by 3 only, because root 3 into root 3 is root 9 and its value becomes only 3. So now if I take the next step here, numerator is 1 by root 3 as it is, denominator 1 plus 1 by root 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 is in the sense like if you take LCM will be 3, 1 3s are, that means 3 plus 1, it will become 4 here. So now if you change the denominator, numerator 2 by root 3 as it is, if you change the division into multiplication, this denominator's reciprocal you have to write. That means instead of 4 by 3 it will become 3 by 4. You may cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are, you are left with 3 by 2 root 3. But whenever you get the irrational number in the denominator, you should always rationalize the denominator. So how do you rationalize the denominator? You have to multiply the numerator and denominator by another irrational number. So this is the irrational number, we will multiply by another irrational into irrational becomes rational. So to rationalize the denominator, I am multiplying numerator denominator by root 3 into root 3. So now what will happen? So this root 3 gets cancelled. So this 3, and in the denominator you are left with 3 by 2 root, this 3 is here, or numerator 3 root 3. Instead of cancelling, you may keep 2 as it is, and 3 into 3, root 3 into root 3, you can keep this 3 itself. Because first I thought of cancelling, but if I cancel I don't get the required answer, only because now what will happen, this 3 if I cancel, root 3 by 2 remains. So if this is the answer, in my options this answer is not there. But one thing, I can take help of the tables, root 3 by 2 is the value of which trigonometric ratio? Root 3 by 2, see, tan 60's value is different, it is only root 3, and cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So in place of root 3 by 2, you can take it as sin 60. So which means your first option is the correct answer for that. So here sometime this confusion happens. To multiply here in the process of rationalization, you should be a little careful about it. And I have another question which is a little simple, and it's like trial and error type. It is given if sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a, then find a. So we may just have to test it. For which value, for which angle in place of a, these two becomes equal. So if you see, if you put any value in place of a, it will become double here, but here it won't. So other than 0, no other value suits here. So suppose let us put a equals to 0 degree. What will happen? LHS becomes like sin 2a is there. It will become, in place of a, I will take 0 degree, it will become sine 2 into 0 is 0 degree, sine 0 is 0. Same way if you take RHS is 2 into sine A, which means 2 you keep it as it is, sine A place you take 0 because A means 0 degree. So 2 as it is, sine 0 value is 0, 2 into 0 is 0. So therefore LHS equals to RHS. So LHS and RHS becomes equal only when A is 0. So therefore you can conclude that A is 0 degree. So this is one more simple question. So I have one different question for you. This is, if tan A plus B is root 3, tan A minus B is 1 by root 3. Find A and B, both angles. One condition they have given, A and B together, the value will be between 0 and 90, and A value is bigger than B. That is the condition given. So at last when we get the answer, we can cross check that. So now I'll take this statement and this statement separately. First, if I use this statement, so like tan A plus B equals to root 3 is given. Root 3 is the value of tan of which angle? Root 3 is the value of tan of 60 degree. If you check the table, root 3 is tan 60. Same way, if I take this one, tan A minus B, 1 by root 3 is the value of which ratio? It is the value of tan 30 ratio. So in place of 1 by root 3, I am writing tan 30. In place of root 3, I am writing tan 60. What is the use of this? Now you check left and right. Both side tan, and this is the angle, this is the angle. If tan ratio equals to tan ratio, and this angle should be equals to this angle, therefore I can take A plus B equals to 60 degree. This is your one statement. Here also, if tan ratio equals to tan ratio, A minus B is in the angles place. So A minus B should be equals to 30 degrees. So this is going to be your second statement. So you already know how to solve linear equations. These are two linear equations. You can use the elimination method or substitution method and you can simplify it. So now I'll bring 2 here, A minus B equals to 30 degree. So if I just add it, A plus A, it will be 2A, B minus B, it will get eliminated. It's elimination method. 60 plus 30, it will become 90. So A equals to 90 by 2, which is equals to 45 degree. Now this A value, you can bring it and put it either in 1 or 2, you will get the B value. So in place of A, if I put 45 degree and then minus B equals to 30 degree. Now you can interchange. 30 you can bring this side and B you can shift that side. So it is B is equals to 15 degree. So A value, and then you have A value 45 and B value 15 degree. You can check A is bigger than B, A is bigger than B or not. A and B together it is between 0 and 90. You can check A and B together it is how much? 60 degree. So which is between 0 and 90. So that is how it satisfies. I hope you have understood the problems on trigonometric ratios of standard angles. You can practice some more questions like this, and if you have any doubt you can write in the comment box and share with your friends, and I will try to clear your doubts. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.